Hello, welcome to Latest Wealth. I am Kailash here. I am financial advisor as well as wealth coach. My dear friends, I have been conducting a lot of workshops, seminars, training classes on stock market and as well as wealth management. And most of the places people will come and ask me, sir, which stock I have to purchase now? Before that, my answer is, please remember my friends, if you want to invest in stock market, first step is you have to understand about stock market very well. Then, because the stock market is only the investment which is knowledge based investment. Before investing, you should know about different sectors, because every sector is having a sometimes prime period, sometimes dull period. So you need to know about which sector you are going to invest. So to help the people who have been doing the videos on about different sectors, if you have not watched previous videos, please start watch other videos, and in future we are going to create n number of videos on different sectors. Please keep watching. My dear friends, in this episode we are going to discuss about hotel sector. What are the future prospects? What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? And who are the key players? And what are the important points you have to keep in your mind as an investor before investing in hotel sector? And there are some strengths as well as some weak points. Let us have a look about everything. Let's start. My dear friends, as a frequent traveler, because to conduct the programs and workshops, I have been traveling around the globe. I stayed in a number of hotels throughout the world, and some of the hotels I like very much, some of the hotels I don't like at all. I never recommend that hotels, right? And same the way, now tell me, do you have interest in traveling or not? Now you may be saying, sir, who will not have interest in traveling? Now, if you observe from your family and friend circle that traveling has been increased or decreased, obviously your answer will be increased. Yes, my friends. In India, earlier people were very conservative. They are not at all going to any other places. Nowadays what happened, lot of traveling is happening, and with a lot of disposable income, people want to stay in the good hotels, and people want to stay in the hotels who are providing good services. Naturally, it is giving a very big boost for hotel industry. And not only that one, my friends, for every weekend, some people are planning to go outside. Suppose if you stay in Delhi or Mumbai or Bangalore or Hyderabad, especially these IT field people, every weekends they are planning to go and stay in outside. And not only that one, my friends, nowadays functions. Earlier functions used to conduct in the houses. Nowadays function has become a status symbol. They started conducting in the hotels. So this will help hotel industry, as well as events, the seminars, programs. For everything, now the hotel industry has become iconic symbol to conduct so and so program in so and so hotel. Naturally, in future these are going to increase like anything. This will be a big plus point for the hotel sector. And with this, why I favor this hotel sector is, not only it is giving pleasure for the customers, as well as it is giving a lot of employment opportunities for the people, both ways. And even government initiation, government is also supporting hotel industry. They want to improve the tourism. When they want to improve the tourism, naturally it will directly positive impact on hotel industry. Let us go into some more details. Let us start.
Hotels. Sector group. Consumer cyclicals. Classification. Non-commodity business. Tourism has now become a significant industry in India. It is a sunrise industry, an employment generator, a significant source of foreign exchange for the country. Tourism in India is the third largest foreign exchange earner of the country. The booming tourism industry had a cascading effect on the hospitality sector, with an increase in occupancy ratios and average room rates. India is the largest market for travel and tourism. It offers a diverse portfolio of Nike tourism products, cruises, adventure, medical, wellness, sports, MICE, ecotourism, film, rural and religious tourism. India has been recognized as a destination for spiritual tourism for domestic and international tourists. In March 2019, 720 crores had been allocated by Uttar Pradesh towards strengthening the infrastructure of tourism. Total contribution by travel and tourism sector to India's GDP is expected to increase from 15.24 trillion rupees in 2017, 32.05 trillion rupees in 2028. India was ranked 7th among 184 countries in terms of travel and tourism's total contribution to GDP in 2017. Travel and tourism is the third largest foreign exchange for India. During 2018, fees from tourism increased 4.70% year on year to US $28.59 billion. Foreign tourist arrival increased 5.20% year on year, $10.56 million US in the same period. Foreign tourist arrivals for medical purpose increased from 4,27,014 in 2016 to 4,95,056 in 2017. During 2018, arrivals through e-tourist visa increased 39.60% year on year to 2.37 million. During January 2019, arrivals through e-tourist visa increased by 21.10% year on year to 0.29 million. As of 2017 to 18, 81.1 million people are employed in the tourism sector in India, which was 12.38% of total employment in the country. The government of India has set a target of 20 million foreign tourist arrival by 2020 and double the foreign exchange earnings as well. The launch of several branding and marketing initiatives by the government of India, such as Incredible India and Atithi Devo Bhava, has provided a focused impetus to growth. The Indian government has also released a fresh category of visa, the medical visa or M-Visa, to encourage medical tourism in the country. Incredible India 2.0 campaign was launched in September 2017. In September 2018, the Indian government launched the Incredible India mobile app to assist the traveler to India and showcase major experiences for traveling. The government of India is working to achieve 1% share in world's international tourist arrivals by 2020 and 2% share by 2025. In October 2018, statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as a Statue of Unity, was inaugurated as a tourist attraction. It is the tallest statue in the world, standing at a height of 182 meters. It is expected to boost the tourism sector in the country and put India on the world tourism map. In February 2019, the visiting hours has been increased by 2 more hours and has been equipped with e-bike tours. The government has also been making serious effort to boost investments in tourism sector. In the hotel and tourism sector, 100% FDI is allowed through the automatic route. A 5-year tax holiday has been offered for 2, 3 and 4 star category hotels located around UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Total FDI received by Indian hotel and tourism sector was US $12 billion between April 2000 and December 2018. India is a large market for travel and tourism. It offers a diverse portfolio of Nikkei tourism products: cruises, adventure, medical, wellness, sports, MICE, ecotourism, film, rural and religious tourism. India has been recognized as a destination for spiritual tourism for domestic and international tourists.
Now let us see what are the future prospects of this industry.
Future prospects in stock market. Economic growth, foreign and domestic, which has led to greater commercial activity and hence greater traveling requirements. Rising disposable income and hence growing international and domestic tourism. Awareness of attractive places to visit, availability of infrastructure and desire to live a good life, especially with young professionals. Regular international sports events which attract a large number of participants, supporting teams and fans. These are beamed live to huge audience all over the world and attract them to visit the country. Government initiatives and incentives to promote tourism as a foreign exchange earning sector.
My dear friends, now let us see what are the advantages of this sector in Indian stock market.
Advantages this sector in stock market. Huge potential for tourism in India as there exists a variety of possible holidays options like mountains, beaches, pilgrimage towns, sports and wildlife holidays. Popularity of Indian monuments like Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, the Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Jantar Mantar, Amir Fort, etc. amongst the foreign tourists. Well-connected cities with affordable air travel and good roads. Easily affordable for foreigners due to weak Indian currency. Emerging market for destination weddings and conventions at exotic locations.
Now you heard about all the advantages. You might be thinking, Kailash, only plus points? There are no minus points? Yes, my friends, as an investor, you should know about plus points as well as minus point. Strengths and weakness. You should know about disadvantages of this sector. Now let us have a look about what are the disadvantages of this sector.
Disadvantages for this sector in stock market: high fixed costs including cost of employees, competition from huge small sector, high land prices and construction costs make setting up of new hotels much more expensive. Very little supporting infrastructure like restaurants, nightclubs, sports facilities, etc. Available in new virgin areas with potential for tourism. Important indicators: occupancy rates, and second one, average room rent.
Now you might have got some idea. Now let us see who are the key players in this sector.
Key player companies in stock market: EIH and Indian Hotels, Charlotte Hotels, Lemon Tree Hotel, Mahindra Holiday, Taj GVK Hotels.
My dear friends, hope you got beautiful and excellent and informative knowledge about this hotel sector, and you can consider it in future. If you want, you can invest in one or two hotel scripts, and please remember this also, once again, it is a seasonal business, and before investing, do your proper analysis. Don't invest blindly. If you want, take the coachings and take the systematic training, then start investing. Please subscribe to our channel so that in future we are going to give some training videos free of cost. Subscribe, press the bell icon, and please, we request you to comment below this video so that it will give us confidence and it will give a motivation and it will give more inspiration for us to prepare this type of videos. Thank you very much. Till we meet again, enjoy every bit of life. Have a nice day and bye bye.